Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. If you're not a part of my WhatsApp group, then do WhatsApp me to 9176231990. I keep updating my latest workshops. I keep updating my other class details, product details, and everything so that you can be updated. Today, I feel the color has to be white. There's a lot of clarity which you need, a lot of blessings which you need for yourself and for those around you. And also, if you have a clear quartz or a rose quartz, then carry that with you today. Also, if you can today pick up some sugar, maybe 1 kg or 5 kgs of sugar, and donate it to some poor person, then that will also be as an added blessing in your life. But let's see what the cards are saying. Let's go with the reading. Okay, moot, which actually is a gathering. But let's pull out one more card before. Okay, charms. Whenever I see this card, I remember mirror magic. I don't know why, but I always remember mirror magic. But let's see what is in store for you today in the cards. Actually, when I'm seeing these cards, if I read these cards from my Wicca perspective, it means, all the Wiccans gather and then they create magic, they create charms, they do enchantments, they do incantations, and they have a beautiful and an enjoyable day ahead. But here, when I feel moot card can also indicate that you feel very demotivated today. You feel as if things are not falling in place, but I feel the magic is in your hand. Everything is in your hand if you decide, and if you uh, decide to live happily and give yourself the love and attention that you're supposed to give, then there is no looking back, and you can also create this demotivated day into a beautiful magical day. Because the next card is basically like you can be powerful, you can be charming, you can also control the situations with just by your own way of seeing things. I feel this is no way of seeing a thing. You sometimes give up. I just feel you should not give up. You should just understand that you are your own charm. You should not allow any manipulation to happen, and you should communicate and speak out when you feel there is a manipulation happening, because you can actually control things the way you control. Overall, even for some people, I feel you might have a small gathering or a small dinner time with your loved ones, and you will enjoy the evening, and you will feel as if your energy is rejuvenated. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Blessed be.